Alright, today we are starting our last unit, the last thing we will learn before the end of the year. It is logs, okay? Logs look scary, but they're really not that bad. Alright, it says here we see main ideas questions. What is a logarithm? It says a log is another way of writing exponents. So exponents and logs go hand in hand. The log form is log b of a, which b and a will be a number, equals x. X is a number as well. This is just the basic version of it. And the exponential form of that is b to the x equals a. So b to the x, which x is the exponent, equals a. So if you follow this, it says you read as log base b of a equals x. That's how you read it. Log b base of a equals x. And then over here, exponential form, b to the power of x equals a. That sounds weird, but it's not. Watch this. We look at number one, it says log 3 of 9 equals 2. So we're going to transform it into exponential form. Log 3 of 9 equals 2. Looking up at the top, log b of a equals x. The way we put that in exponential form, b to the power of x equals a. So log 3 of 9 equals 2. So we just write it as 3 squared equals 9. All right, because log b of a equals x. Log b goes right there, to the power of 2 equals this 9. That's all we're doing. Number 2, I'm just going to do a couple because the rest of this worksheet is homework. All right. Number 2, log 6 of 216 equals 3. So the way we write that is just 6 cubed equals 216. That's how easy it is. So you can say, I'll look at this first number, and that's to the power of the number over here, and it equals the bigger number right here. That's it. All right. That's how you go from log to exponential formula. Okay. Converted exponent to log. Excuse me. You'll just work backwards. So we see we have 14 squared equals 196. So it's just log of 14. That's a 14. Sorry. 196 equals 2. That's how you write it. Again, it's at the top if you need it to see how to go from one to the other. But again, log 14 of 196 equals 2. And I'll let you finish all the other ones because that's going to be your homework. All right. Actually, let me do number 10 because there's a fraction and I don't want y'all to freak out. We see we have 36 to the power of 1/2 equals 6. All this is log 36 of 6 equals 1/2. See, nothing changed. Don't freak out. All right. Now we'll move on. Now we're evaluating logs. It says up there, a logarithm with a base 10 is called a common log and can be written without the base. Basically, log 10 of x is log of x. Okay? And it says here we're evaluating logs. We see log 7 of 49. So we write that as 7 to the power of x equals 49. We need to find what x is. 7 to the power of what equals 49? Obviously, x equals 2. All right, that's all we're doing on that part. Log 7 of 49, we need to find out what it equals, and it equals 2. Because 7 squared is 49. That's all we'll do there. Looking at number 15 real quick, because I don't want us to freak out, because there's no little number here. When there's no little number there, it's just set up there. A log with a base 10 is called a common log, so that's 10. So 10 to the power of x equals 100. What is it? Once again, x equals 2, because 10 squared is 100. Moving on, this is our last part. Change of base formula. It says some logs are not as easy to evaluate as those above and will require the change of base formula. All right. It says log B of A equals log A over log B. All right. So that's all you'll do. Watch. Number 21. It says log 16 and then 64. So we don't know what it is yet. This is what we need to do. Log A. So A is this one. Remember, follow the formula. Log of 64 over, oops, see? I make mistakes too. Log 64 over log of 16. You'll type that in the calculator and you'll get 1.5. All right, that's it. And remember, if there's no little number there, like right here, it's just a 10. So in the calculator, if you type it in, you'll see it's two numbers, and I don't want you freaking out to say there's no little number. It's log 10 of 64 divided by log 10 of 16. They both have the same thing, all right? So finish the worksheet. I did a couple of each. Last one I did one just to save time and give you something to do. They were that simple. So complete every single question and then submit it. That's it.